In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your Forever 21 order, ensuring you can follow your purchase from their online store right to your doorstep with ease. Let's dive straight in. First, begin by heading over to the Forever 21 website. Open your preferred web browser and type in their official website address. Once you've hit enter, you should find yourself on the home page, featuring their latest fashion collections and updates. Next, look towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find a small human icon, or it might be labeled as Profile. This is your gateway to managing your account and accessing your order history. Go ahead and click on this icon to continue. After clicking on the Profile icon, you should see a menu or a section that says View All next to your order history or recent orders. Click on that. This will lead you to a more comprehensive view of your account, specifically focusing on the orders you have made. Now, if you have already purchased an item, your order should appear in this section. Once you see the list of your orders, take a moment to select the specific item that you're interested in tracking. It could be a single item, or perhaps a few, depending on what you purchased in your recent shopping spree. By clicking on the specific item, you'll gain access to more detailed information about that order. Upon selecting the item, you should see an option labeled Track Order appear. This is a crucial step as it provides the real-time status and location of your package. This feature is particularly useful in ensuring peace of mind, as it updates you on whether your package is still in transit, out for delivery, or has been safely delivered to your address. The final step is to actually click on the Track Order button. Once you do, you will be redirected to a tracking page. This page will offer you detailed and up-to-date information regarding the whereabouts of your order. You can see its journey from the warehouse to shipping centers and eventually to your home address. It's as simple as that, and there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily track your Forever 21 order with confidence. Remember, it's always good to keep an eye on your orders, especially if you've got an event or special occasion coming up that you're planning for. Thank you for joining me today, and happy shopping!